how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. If you want to connect your Trust Wallet account to PancakeSwap, all you actually have to do is you need to simply go ahead and first of all launch your Trust Wallet application and simply make sure to go ahead and then log in with your account, right? So once you log in with your account, simply go to the Discover tab. Then in the search bar, just type in PancakeSwap. And you'll see the search result here, PancakeSwap at the top. Tap on it. Now to connect your Trust Wallet, first depends upon which wallet you want to connect, right? So in my case, I've already connected my Ethereum wallet to it, but if you want to connect some other ones, you'll find those ones over here. So you can select those account here and instead tap on the connect account option. Then once you've done that, you'll simply be able to find all of your wallet, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.